Remember, the leader of the opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, had also mentioned this Telangana survey report in his speech in the lower house yesterday. He said that the survey has revealed that 90% of the state's population is either Dalit, Adivasi or from the backward class. In fact, he asserted that he is convinced that the story would be the same across the country. Launching an attack, Rahul Gandhi said that there are Dalit, OBC and tribal leaders in the BJP, but they don't even have the power to speak up.
We have done a caste census in Telangana, and what we have found is shocking. Almost 90% of Telangana is either Dalit, Adivasi, backward or minority. Almost 90%. And I am convinced that that is the story across the country. Once the caste census is placed on the table, we will know exactly how much of this country's wealth, how much of this country's power, how many of this country's institutions are owned by 90% of this country. There are OBC MPs in the BJP. There are Dalit MPs in the BJP. There are Adivasi MPs in the BJP. Remember, you are OBCs, you have 50% of the population, and you have absolutely no power. I know that you're sitting there and you cannot even open your mouth.
प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है।
जाति जनगणना,
प्रधानमंत्री का चेहरा आपको दिखाई नहीं देता है।
आर्किटेक्चर,
आप अंधे हो गए हैं क्या?
रेवोल्यूशन के सबसे
ये अंधेरा हो गया है। पार्लियामेंट में ये कुछ दिखता नहीं है। सोनिया गांधी, प्रियंका, कुछ दिखाई नहीं देता है। ओबीसी बात करते हैं।
While the Congress's ally Samajwadi Party has backed Rahul Gandhi's Jitni Abadi Utna Haq push, Eknath Shinde's Shiv Sena asked why has the Congress government in Telangana not made the caste survey report public yet?
जाति जनगणना वो समाजवादी पार्टी का मुद्दा रहा है, आगे भी रहेगा। भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जाति जनगणना वो करानी पड़ेगी।
Rahul Gandhi should understand that what Telangana has done is not a caste census but a caste survey, and the same caste survey has been done by Bihar in the past. In Karnataka, they had done the caste survey, but they had not released the data. I think Rahul Gandhi's statements are double-faced. Moreover, Rahul Gandhi should understand that the caste census can only be done by the central government according to the Census Act. I think Rahul Gandhi should not use artificial intelligence for caste census, but he should also use a bit of real intelligence.